Banana ketchup is a popular condiment in the Philippines. It's used as a marinade or as a dipping sauce, and it's so delicious. While we wait for our embutido to cool down, we are going to make some banana ketchup. This is a really quick recipe and anybody could do it. Banana ketchup, why? It's so popular in the Philippines, and it's usually a condiment that goes with the embutido. So what we'll need is a banana, and I'm using this milkshake blender because it's easier and it's quicker to use. So you need one banana, and this is sort of like not so ripe yet. You can see there's still some green and things. Green, it's not so ripe. So yeah, if not a banana, then you can use plantain or saba, but this is just the normal banana you can get from the shop. And then I'm going to add one garlic. I haven't like crushed it or anything because that will blend nicely in here. So one garlic in there, some water. We may add some more later on, because I think this is a bigger banana than I used initially. And about a tablespoon of tomato paste. This is just to give it a bit more flavor. And then about a teaspoon of salt. Go. And a pinch of pepper. Unless you like it really, really peppery, you can add some more. Right. Last but not the least, the all-important sugar. So I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons. So with this recipe, you can actually serve it as it is, or you can heat it in a pot and cook it for a little bit. But for me, I can serve it as it is. It's up to you. So let's get blending. Might want to move it a little bit. There you go, we're in business. Yeah, baby. Let's see. That seemed like a good consistency. Oh, that tastes very banana-y with a bit of garlic. Let's taste it. Very sweet. Alright guys, so I'm going to give our banana ketchup a quick boil and simmer. So I'll pour it into a pan. I really like that consistency. And I think we will slowly give this a simmer and a boil. A boil and a simmer. Kind of like the consistency, that's perfect. And I didn't add any flour or anything like that, and I like that. I like the fact that I don't need to add any carbs in it. If you like it a little bit more, I think it's starting to get thicker now actually. Might add a bit more water in there. Slowly turning a little bit brown, just fine. Give it a few more minutes to simmer down. Oh, that smells so good. So banana smell. Banana smell. I love it. Then that should be ready. I mean, I could probably add a bit more water to this to give it that sort of silky sauce. To be honest, It's fine, I think. I don't want it too thick. Maybe I'll add a bit more water. I don't want to add too much water. There we go. I don't want it too thick. I think when it clings at the back of the spoon, that's ready. That should be the texture. Okay, I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to put this down here. So I'm going to leave that to cool down for a few minutes, and then I'm going to clear. Now you can serve your banana ketchup with your embutido or other Filipino dishes. Thank you so much for watching my banana ketchup video. I hope you like this recipe. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell button for more videos. Thank you so much. Paalam. Bye-bye.